Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Worldly Passion. In this video, I'll be reciting a really short poem on Independence Day. But if you want to read long poetries that have deep impact on readers' perspective and vision towards life, you should definitely buy my book Poetry My Life from the links in the description. You can have the picture right over here. uh, all the poems are definitely going to inspire and motivate you intensely. But for now, let's start this poem. 15th August 1947 was the day of independence. Our blood and sweat gave results. It was the most proudest chronicle. All for years and years we fought, a new country from our sacrifices we brought. Our leaders gave their lives for this nation, so our diligence deserves celebration. Our country emerged as independent, and this is the consequences of our true fervent. On this Independence Day, let us take an oath, seeds of unity, brotherhood, and prosperity let us sow. We shall remain faithful to our country and always be ready to protect its sovereignty. Guys, we will not be able to celebrate Independence Day as we usually did in our schools because of these circumstances. But I request you to please pray for this nation, especially in this situation when we don't have much hope. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribed.